This question is from NEET 2018. So after reading the question, the first thing that should come to our mind is it's a question on photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. That is the first thing. The second thing we should consider is what is asked. So it is asking us the ratio of V1 by V2, where V1 is the maximum velocity of the ejected electron in the first case, and V2 is the maximum velocity of the ejected electron in the second case. In the third step, we should consider what are the formulas we should consider here. So there is only one major formula in photoelectric effect, that is Einstein's formula. It says the maximum kinetic energy is equal to h into nu minus nu naught. This is one form. Or this is h nu minus phi, where phi is the work function. And on this side, kmax, that is maximum kinetic energy, is half m v square, where m is the mass of the electron and v is the maximum velocity of the emitted electron. In the next step, we will think about the data of the particular problem. So here it says we want ratio of V1 by V2. That means we will consider disperse, and the incident frequencies are given, so we will consider disperse of this equation. Work function is not given, so we don't have to worry about this, or we don't have to consider this form of the equation, or the kmax is not given, not asked for, so you won't think about this. So here in the first case it says the incident frequency is twice nu naught, so this nu naught will already be there, and here this will be half m v1 square. Right? Simple. See, from this equation, this is a different form of the same equation. In the first case, the maximum velocity of the ejected electron is v square, so this is half m v1 square. And here, this is h into incident radiation. The frequency given is 2 mu naught, so 2 mu naught minus the threshold frequency is given as mu naught. So here, what we get is h into nu naught. This by this is 1 nu naught. Right? In the second case, it says the incident frequency is 5 nu naught. So this formula is like this. This part, and this part it says half m. The velocity is v2, it says, so half m v2 square. So if we subtract this, we get h into 4 nu naught. Right? We want the ratio v1 by v2. So we will simply find the ratio. So this cancels out. This cancels out. What remains is v1 square by v2 square equal to 1 by 4. So that means v1 by v2 will be equal to 1 by 2. So the correct option here will be option A. Right? I'll rate this as an easy question because after reading the question we straightway know it is a question of photoelectric effect, and we know there is only one major equation here, so we know which equation to be used. Then the data given are also simple for doing the calculations, so we get the answer very quickly and easily. So I will rate this as an easy question. Clear?